Welcome back to. Today we're diving into 15 incredible smoothie recipes that are not only delicious but also perfect for boosting your wellness and aiding in weight loss. Let's get started. First up is our green detox smoothie, a perfect way to kickstart your morning with a burst of energy. Blend 1 cup of spinach, half a cucumber, 1 green apple, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 cup of water until smooth. This smoothie is packed with fiber and vitamins, ideal for a detox. Next, let's whip up a berry protein smoothie that's great for post-workout recovery. Combine 1 cup of mixed berries, 1 banana, 1 scoop of protein powder, and 1 cup of almond milk. Blend all ingredients until smooth, high in antioxidants and protein, perfect for after your workout. Craving something tropical? Our mango ginger smoothie is both refreshing and great for digestion. You'll need 1 cup of mango chunks, half a banana, half an inch of peeled ginger, and 1 cup of coconut water. Just blend all ingredients until smooth. This smoothie helps with digestion and inflammation. How about a dessert-like smoothie that's actually healthy? Our chocolate avocado smoothie is just what you need. For this smoothie, grab half an avocado, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1 cup of almond milk. Blend all ingredients until smooth. This creamy smoothie is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. And there you have it, 15 delicious and healthy smoothies that will help you stay on track with your wellness and weight loss goals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Comment below which smoothie you'll try first. See you next time on